Hi there, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing some tips on how to improve your research paper writing skills. If you're a student or an academic professional, this video will give you some valuable insights into writing a great research paper. Tip number 1, plan and organize your thoughts. The first step to writing a great research paper is to plan and organize your thoughts around the topic of your interest. Start by brainstorming your ideas, and then create an outline of your paper. This will help you stay focused and ensure that your paper flows logically. Read 2 to 3 journal papers that are relevant to the topic you are interested in, or ask your academic advisor to recommend such papers for you to read. Tip number 2, stay focused on your research question. When writing your research paper, it's important to stay focused on your research question. Research questions are developed to help you achieve your research objective. Make sure you understand what you're trying to answer and how you're going to answer it. This will help you write a more focused and concise paper. Tip number 3, read widely. Reading widely is a great way to improve your research paper writing skills as well as improve the flow and clarity of the paper. Read other research papers in your field to see how they're written, and take note of what you like and what you don't like about them. This will help you develop your own writing style and improve your overall writing skills. I usually use a red pen when reading my own draft. Tip number 4, write regularly. Writing regularly is another great way to improve your research paper writing skills. Set aside some time each day or each week to write, even if it's just a few paragraphs. This will help you develop your writing muscle and make writing a habit. What is important is to start and you will learn along the way. Tip number 5, seek feedback. Let's face the reality. Please seek feedback on your writing. Share your work with others, and ask for their opinions and suggestions. This will help you identify areas where you can improve and become a better writer. Make it into a habit. So there you have it. 5 tips on how to improve your research paper writing skills. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to writing a great research paper. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more tips.